Indeed, since we are friends, we can allow having a very candid conversation. And one of the issues that I brought in my meetings in Pakistan, and I will be bringing it up in all other meetings that will be taking place after we do the interview, is Ukraine's expectation that Pakistan will be voting in favor of resolutions defending Ukraine's territorial integrity and sovereignty, and also aiming at restoring just and lasting peace in Ukraine. Because these resolutions are based on rock-solid ground of international law, and we believe that Pakistan is also the country that respects territorial integrity and that is interested in respect to international law when it comes to these issues.